Hello everyone, my name is John Paul Benedict Galicia from TCO4 and I'm discussing about the topic of quantum computing, which is the trend in technology of ICT. So what is quantum computing? Well, quantum means small physical entity, which is like a photon, an atom, which individually separate and distinct. While computing, on the other hand, we used to focus on the goal, which we manage and process data, and to achieve a better and easily way smoothly to use a computer. Computers like the phone or laptop you're using run on bits. Information is either a 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits. Qubits exploit the laws of quantum mechanics to exist in a superposition of both 0 and 1. It's like simultaneously looking for multiple ideas to perform a specific goals. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. Its both heads and tails until it lands. Well, this state allows quantum computers to perform astronomical numbers of calculations. This phenomenal power has implications across the entire computing industry and societies. For the computing industry, quantum computing is driving massive investment in hardware, requiring engineers to cool components to near absolute zero, colder than the deep space, just to maintain the qubit stability. For the impact of society, the impact is revolutionary. First, material science and drug discovery. Quantum simulation can accurately model complex molecules, which will drastically speed up the development of new life-saving drugs, highly efficient batteries, and superconductors. It challenges also the entire security infrastructure. Quantum computers have the theoretical power to break today's most widely used encryption, like RSA, almost instantly. This threat is driving the development of post-quantum cryptography by governments and corporations worldwide, forcing a global security upgrade. In conclusion, quantum computing is still in its infancy, a trending technology with massive engineering challenges like decoherence, which means is the process where a quantum system loses its quantum properties such as superposition due to interaction with its environment. But the promises is clear, it will usher in a new era of optimization, discovery, and digital security. It is truly the definition of a technological marvel, transforming previously unsolvable problems into computational reality. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.